So in this video, I'll show you how to add video transition in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now here is my video clips. So make sure you have different clips on the timeline before the transition will work. So before you go to the transition section, make sure you turn on this option, magnet. If you turn on this option, it will all remove the gaps between the transition. So now as you can see now, there is no gap between all the transition that I have on my timeline. After that, go to this transition. If you go to transition section, so here you have there is different transition. So go to light. For this video, I'll use this bond transition. So the name of the transition is glare 2. So all I have to do, I'll just go ahead and click on this. I'll drag the transition and add between the clips. So now here is transition. If I want to add the transition on all the as you can see now, on all the clips, just select the transition like this and go to this section and click on this apply to all. So from there, it will all be added to my clips in my timeline. So as you can see now the transition has been added to this one by clicking on the apply all. So now you can go now and play transition. If you want to change the duration of the transition, just click on the transition. So in here it will give duration. So like this, let's say you want to increase or you want to decrease the duration. After you increase or after you decrease, just click on this apply to all. It will change it will take effect on all the transition that are applied in your timeline. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.